work?
I think it's down here. So they took the door off the laundry room, looks like.
I imagine it was like bang bang. Well, it did swing in, looks like, doesn't it? Because the hinges are on there.
This laundry room. Okay,
Okay, I'm gonna run heady and flip lights.
Okay. See Dana run?
Run, baby. Run, Forrest. Run.
I think you might actually like this one.
I think so too. You're like this. Right in here. Let's have a bunch of bulbs for now.
Yeah. Okay, that one is on.
Got a lock on it, I bet it was a gun.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need those around here, don't you?
Hmm?
You need those around here, don't you?
Guns?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't currently own any.
You don't have to have them.
Okay.
This has got a lot of room down here.